Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy Italian dressing. To start, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. For that essential creamy texture, add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic for a pungent kick. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, plus a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle warmth. Now let's elevate those flavors. Incorporate 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for a delightful salty, umami depth. A single tablespoon of Dijon mustard is crucial. It helps emulsify the dressing and adds a lovely tang. For a balanced taste, sweeten it slightly with 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar or a drizzle of honey. Remember to adjust the salt and freshly ground black pepper to your exact preference, ensuring perfect seasoning. To achieve that signature creamy texture, combine all your prepared ingredients in a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform, with no visible lumps. For an even thicker, more luxurious emulsion, slowly drizzle in an additional 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil while the blender is running. This step ensures a truly velvety and consistent dressing every single time. Once your creamy Italian dressing is perfectly blended, transfer it to an airtight glass container. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. You'll notice the dressing will naturally thicken even further as it chills. This versatile dressing is fantastic over fresh green salads, as a flavorful marinade for chicken, or even as a delicious spread for your favorite sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.